Alright, hey guys, since I'm bored and I'm at home and I don't feel like doing homework at the moment, um, I'm gonna do some things about, you, ratchet holes. No ratchet holes. But, yeah, like, why? Like, why do you have to be ratchet? Really? Why? Why? And why? Why? Why do you have to be ratchet? Like, what's the point? Be normal. I'm just saying, be normal. Um, yeah, I'm not high. I've been sober for a good week. You know, trying to stop you guys. Most likely that's not gonna happen. But let me fix my collar. Fuck it. But yeah, like why are you so ratchet? Like, what's the point of being ratchet? Just be normal, man. Like really, like really. Switch came over. But yeah, man. I admit I have been one ratchet and the whole squad knows, and I can't turn a hole into a house. But learned that the hard way. Let me show you that beautiful sky. Yeah. Got baby kids. But um yeah, like especially these hoes on Twitter, on Twitter, on Facebook, Instagram, seeing us niggas, yeah, half naked, and saying that we're thirsty because you're half naked. Well, if you're like gay and then like you see like, oh my god, this ratchet, she's like as fuck. Oh yeah, by the way, rest in peace, Freddie E. You know, when I first saw that nigga, I like died. I was high too. Maybe it went like better, you know. So rest in peace, dude. Big ups to you, you know. Big ups, you know. You know, you're in a better place now, you know. Yeah, man. To be honest, dude, you're a real inspiration, and God has blessed you to go up there, even though you were going through some issues, but you still managed it. But I guess it was your time to go. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to you. You know, big ups. You know, like mad respect for you. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the comedians. You know. So, hey girl, how you doing? But I'm bored as hell. Obviously, you can see that I am. But the fuck? See, dumbass motherfuckers on TV. You're gonna burn yourself. Fucking doofus. I can tell you connect to it. Oh yeah, and guys, I can low-key sing, but I'm not gonna sing for you guys. Unless I fucking get. Unless I fucking get. Unless I get over 100 likes. Okay? Well, you don't have to fucking do it if you don't fucking want to, but still. If you want to hear me sing, then, no, nigga. But still, guys, whoa, girls, whoa, people, not guys, because that's some gay shit, but people, if you want to hear me sing, that's all you have to do is just like. But alright guys, peace. Deuces, black game. Fight popping. Hose down. Hose down. Say no to hoes. Like I said in the other video, say no to hoes. Say no and ho. Say no. No. Alright, bye.